Select the networks you're swapping from and to. Make sure you double-checked the destination address. This address will be where your paid BEP20 will be sent. Enter the number of tokens to be swapped. Click the orange Approve button at the bottom of the page. Sign into your wallet and confirm the swap transaction. Make sure your wallet is connected to the network your paid tokens are on. The orange checks on the left show your progress and turn green when ready. Once the checks appear for wallet approved and amount entered, the orange button at the bottom will change from Approve to Swap. Click the orange Swap button. A pop-up window will appear to confirm the swap information. Click Confirm Swap. Confirm the transaction. The orange circles on the left again show your progress and turn green when ready. Once the swap is completed, a green box appears stating you will need to switch your current network. Click on your wallet browser extension and switch the network. Click the Retrieve Token Now button in a pop-up window. Then click the green Withdraw Item button. Confirm the transaction. A pop-up window will appear with the transaction hash ID for review and the option of adding the tokens to your wallet.